So we're going to title this video Gran Canaria in the rain because, believe it or not, it's raining. And so today is the 5th of August. Oh no, sorry, today is the 5th of December 2023. And you can see all the people sheltering under the shops because there is a mild rain. Well, you can see the ground is wet. There's still people on the beach walking. And we're just about hit the surface area. There's like a souvenir shop. There's some of the locals there. So you can see everyone's sheltering. At least I can walk without looking because everyone's sheltering under the shops. One of the worst places I ever been for rain was Porto in Portugal. I think I was there in November. Man, it rained. Woman, it rained, okay. Whatever sex you are, whatever sex you choose. So it rained in Porto. So they're lucky there, they've got umbrellas. Sit outside and check the phone. So in a second we'll be hitting the surfing area. There's a couple of people swimming out there. How good is my zoom? Not bad, is it now? Well, let's keep walking. So I started virtually at the beginning of the prom. Well, in my mind, we'll call it the beginning. And I'm heading towards the shopping area there. I think it could be 3 miles, I'm not really sure. From start to finish, where I started and where I'll finish up in the shopping area. I'm actually going to buy some t-shirts. I buy them in Primark. They're nice little black t-shirts and you can wash them and they dry within the hour. Provided you got the weather, you know, which we have here. So they normally dry within an hour and they're very light. They're not expensive. I just noticed a topless woman there. We better not put down our video, had we? Because YouTube, you know. So in the distance I can see the surface. I'd say it's 25 centigrade, which is pretty warm, isn't it? For December anyway. I mean, I'm wearing a hat and I'm quite sweaty on my head actually. So, as I say, it has been raining, which is now stopped. So the people now come from the shelters underneath the shops and they start walking again. There's quite a few people. This is more the fit type guy or woman on the beach there, you know, surfing, doing exercises. whatever they do, pull-ups, pull-offs, pull-ons. So there you've got another lifeguard sitting in the place. See, they use binoculars to see that everything's going all right. And in the distance there, you can see people surfing. I'm just trying to zoom in and find them. Yeah, I see them, little black dots. Anyway, we'll be there shortly. These are more holiday apartments. I can't hazard to guess how much they cost per week. They wouldn't be cheap. The locals call that the it is a shopping mall, but they call it the mosque, which I don't think there is a mosque here, but you think so. If there's 200,000 people arrive from Africa, I mean, some of them must have a religion, and the only religion is Muslim. But then a lot of Africans are Christian, very strong Christians. I mean a lot of people in Britain and Ireland and Germany, wherever, have gone away from the church, but African people have gone closer to the church, you know. I always think it's a way you get an education in the church. So if you haven't a good education, you can go into the church and they will educate you. So that's one of the reasons I believe people sign up to the church. Also, you get accommodation and you get a salary. So you can see you can now, I'll stop. You can see the people on the beach playing football, people walking with the surfboards, and we'll get a bit closer, you've got people surfing. There's your gym there, Go Fit. Go figure. It's the right part, because this part of the beach is where you get the surfers, people doing various exercises, push-ups, pull-offs, whatever. And so it's ideally located, this gym. Go Fit, go figure. Good for your figure probably, yeah. So there they are, the surfers. Song by the Beach Boys, wasn't it? Which I can't remember any of the lyrics. Surfing USA, well, surfing Gran Canaria. So there it's the biggest gym, healthy sports bar. I mean, can you have a healthy sports bar? I'm not really sure you can. I mean, alcohol and good health doesn't go together, does it? You know? I mean, look at that Shane McGowan. Man, he was fucked up, wasn't he? And that was only because of alcohol. But he wrote some beautiful tunes. So there we have our surfers. You can see them with the surfboards here. And again, now it started raining. So this is the gym. Look at that for a gym. It starts there and goes all the way along. That's some gym, isn't it? So it seems to be very wide from here. So there it is, people surfing. There's a guy running out, let's see if we can get him. Hey! Anyway, there is a slight rain. So you've got a couple of flags there, yellow flag, I have no idea what these flags mean. Maybe you can put it in the comments. Maybe you're a surfer. Surfer Gran Canaria. So there it is, the surfers. So we're going to leave it with you surfing. Keep on surfing on my channel, thanks, and maybe put a like, maybe put a comment, and remember, subscribe.